People were camping out to see a community in South County when McBride Homes first started selling homes there. Well, now there are just 3 homes available. So we're checking one out in the latest installment of our Amazing Home series. Lionsgate is a McBride Homes community in South County, and let's just say the location is popular.
Oh, it was crazy. We sold 22 houses the first day, had people camping out for 3 or 4 days waiting to get in here.
Lionsgate is located off Union Road and is in the Mehlville School District. Homes here start in the 230s.
This is our Royal 2 home, 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-story. And this house actually has 9-foot ceilings, beautiful kitchen.
This kitchen is so modern. I love the gray cabinets.
Yeah, gray is absolutely gorgeous. We've got our quartz countertops and stainless steel appliances in this kitchen, and everybody loves these gray cabinets.
This house has a great flow for a growing family, and upstairs will really blow you away.
The master suite has a luxury master bath that really opens up, has a coffered ceiling in the master bath, and beautiful layout upstairs.
McBride Homes has a design studio in Chesterfield Valley.
Our design studio allows customers one central location to come select all their personal choices for their home. They can select their cabinets, their countertops, interior, exterior features. They get to work with one of our professional designers in our great space there and make the house their own.
McBride Homes has been in business for more than 73 years.
We're the largest home builder in Missouri by far, and actually the largest union home builder in the country. We have our roots in St. Louis. We love St. Louis, and our philosophy is to provide the best quality design and customer service to our customers.
The community is selling fast. Lionsgate started with 64 homes. Now there are just 9 lots left to build your dream home and 3 market homes available for those needing a quick move-in.
We currently have 3 market homes ready to move in. There is a low inventory in the St. Louis market right now. So we've got 3 homes ready today for people to move into, and great value here in South County.
And you can find more information to contact them on your screen. Courtney?